Nice. Can't even see it. Woo! Alright, what's up guys, Aaron from Great Lakes RC. This is after the bash, but I wanted to do an overview because it was a little hectic out there. Alright, so Outcast 8S EXB made a couple changes out there. 39 tooth optional spur with the 30 tooth, and then my servo went out last bash, so I'm using a Power HD 65 kg, and I gotta trim it. I was having trouble with the trim, so I think I'm getting close to having it trimmed up. So I got a battery in there, I gotta trim it up now. But these Proline, what are these, the Dumonts, the paddle tires in the snow, they did amazing. I was extremely impressed with how they did in the snow. But then being in the snow, having to clean all this stuff up, I mean, it took me forever just to clean all the snow out of there. So that's not fun. But once in a while, I gotta get out and snow bash. So we'll roll the footage now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it won't turn. It does not want to turn. I gotta work on the steering now. Watch out, bud.
Holy cow.
Gets through the snow.
And it also has it's ordered the snowball has snow tires.
All right, let's try to grab our ramps. All right, Camel, come over here. Nice. Can't even see it. Woo! Okay, come on. I'm gonna drive a little bit. Come on up here.
That's like awesome. Can I jump off the roof, please?
give me a second, bud. Okay, here. Not full blast. A little more. Let go. Yes, good job. You nailed it.
I did two reps at the same time. That was awesome. I want to do that jump again.
Okay, watch out.
I'm gonna do high. I'm gonna jump off the ledge high.
I'm amazed at how well these snow tires actually work. Okay. A little bit of gas. Oh, you missed. Let go, let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. Okay, I'll bring it back up. I'll bring it back up. Let go. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Yes. Whoa, that was awesome.
I did a full wheelie.
That was a wheelie.
Holy cow. I want to do that jump again. That was awesome. I'm going to do a wheelie again. I'm going to do a wheelie again and a jump. I'm going to do a wheelie.
Oh, we got stuck.
Made it.
All right, watch out.
I want to.
Man, this thing throws the snow.
I'm gonna do a wheelie and a jump.
All right, here, you try it.
Okay.
Let go! Oh, that wasn't good. That was bad. That was very bad. Very bad. Watch out, Campbell.
I'm going that slow.
Let's go in the snow on this side of the house.
Yeah.
All right, fresh snow. Here we go.
I'm not outside.
Watch out, bud. Coming up the hill. Come over by me. I just love watching it go through the snow. It's awesome. Look at that.
Can I do it? I'm gonna do it down there, then back up.
Watch out. Can you stand over here? Oh, that's LVC. LVC. Low voltage, bud. Let's do one more jump for you. All right, actually that worked out pretty good. I'm really happy with these snow tires. I'll do an overview a little bit later. I got to work on the servo. It's not turning that good one of the ways. This way turns good. That way I'm not getting full throw. I don't know why. So I'll have to work on that.